It is here that the foundations of the kingdom can be revealed. The river passes through limestone beds, from where many marine fossils are dislodged. This crab swam in a semi-tropical sea perhaps 60 million years ago. Now, a stone crayfish fossicks for food among its marine ancestors. The little crayfish is very sensitive to pollution. It can only survive away from farms, towns, and industries in the higher reaches of the River Lech. It lives among fossils of great scientific interest. These ancient creatures were identified as being very similar to those found in limestone used in building the Egyptian pyramids. Fish larvae look out from translucent egg cases as if in tiny aquaria. Some eggs were accidentally attached to the mobile home of a caddisfly larva. They will hatch in 4 to 5 days, if they can hang on that long. Female minnows attach their eggs to the gravel where they're fertilized by the red-bellied males. Minnows will spawn almost as far upstream as it's possible to travel. They're driven to fight their way far upstream, like miniature salmon. They push on, through fast flows where white-throated dippers stand sentry, and on up into one of many countless streams that tumble down from the Alps. Beside these streams and in open woods grow rare plants like western marsh orchids. Swampy ground favors bird's eye primroses and Bavarian gentians. But the richest, most colorful fields are mountain pastures. They are being lost in parts of Europe, but these meadows, with up to 30 species of herbs, are preserved by one animal. And its season in the Alps has finally arrived. All the activity in the barn is a chance for the edible dormouse to indulge a passion for cherries. The day dawns clear up top, but down below, it's a different matter. It's wet enough for the salamander to travel by day, but it's still a very long way from home. Sarah and her herdmates will graze these fields for 3 months. They'll be exposed to the weather and the wild, just like their ancestors. They eat young trees along with grass and herbs, ensuring that meadows are not overgrown by forest, but are preserved. Preserving pasture is not only good for nature's health and the health of cows, it's also good for Bavarians. From these meadows comes milk with special flavors and qualities, which is brought into the dairy, where it is made into Allgäuer mountain cheese. 2 meters of rain falls in the high Alps each year, almost as much as a tropical rainforest. It creates many things, from cheese to trees to a mountain-climbing salamander. Its progress can now be measured by landmarks. It has climbed 500 meters, as judged by Hohenschwangau Castle. This is where the fairy tale King Ludwig II of Bavaria spent his childhood, and where he dreamt of an even greater castle that he would one day build a short distance up the valley. The castle of his dreams is called Neuschwanstein. The salamander's instinct leads him towards a rocky castle that is cool, moist, and safe. He has been traveling for weeks. It's remarkable that he's not been attacked by a